Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So it's a bank holiday weekend here in the UK. It's an absolutely amazing day and we're back in the garden again. So we rotavated the garden a couple of months ago, 2-3 months ago now. We've had lots of rain, bit of sunshine, the grass started growing again, and the weeds more importantly. So what we've done, we've spent a little bit of time the past hour or so just digging up the obvious weeds, that sort of thing. We're just going to have a quick cuppa. We're going to try and level out the garden a bit more, and then I'm going to start bringing around some topsoil. So we've ordered 6 tons of topsoil from a local contractor, and the point of that being that we want to use it to help to level out the garden. There's a little sort of dip just there. We want to fill that in and as I say, level it out a little bit more and prepare it so we can actually turf the garden over. Anyway, we're going to have a quick couple and we'll get back to you. Right guys, so this is what 6 tons of topsoil looks like. So 6 bags, roughly 1 ton per bag. So this is apparently decent grade topsoil, so I'm led to believe. I'm no expert. So this is this has been screened basically, 6 mil or less, and apparently it's been mixed with fertiliser and some other stuff. But anyway, that's what 6 tons of topsoil looks like. So I'm just going to get a spade and a barrow and start taking this stuff around to the back garden. Basically, this is what 1 ton of topsoil looks like. It's not a lot, is it? So obviously it's 1 ton in weight. So we've asked for 6 ton. I think it'll be alright. bags. 4 ton. Six bags, 6 ton.